Hey guys, this is Abby of Southeast and I'm right here at Awka, Anambra State. Let's take a flight in Solution Fun City!
What do you think about having a world-class park where you could visit very easily? Well, I'll show you something. Don't forget to like and stay subscribed to this channel. I am currently surveying the Solution Fun City project in Awka, Anambra State, and I must say, it's shaping up quite nicely. This project is divided into 6 various lots and will feature an outdoor amusement park, a water park, an arcade, amongst other game parks. As you can see, construction has begun and is ongoing at a very fast pace. The road network system is currently being finalized and the drainage system is already in place. Block work is already ongoing on some lots and is really encouraging to say. Once completed, the Fun City is sure to impact the lifestyle of people residing in Anambra, and will most definitely see new investors come into the economic scene. So what do you think about this particular project? Let me know in the comment section. For me, I am super excited to see how this will really turn out. After all work and no play makes Abby the dull girl. Abby, how them say talk am? See you in my next video. Bye.